All right, you are going to read the next section of Revolutionary Women, talking about Sybil Ludington. The page numbers are there, 22 to 29. Couple questions with the page numbers that they correspond to. Why did Sybil have to warn Colonel Ludington's troops that the British were burning Danbury? Okay, why did she have to go warn him about that? And then what reasons does the author give to support the idea that Paul Revere's ride and Sybil Ludington's ride were different? So you read about Paul Revere's ride, you read the poem about it. And then Sybil Ludington also had a ride. So why does the author say that those were different? Keep in mind, you are going to be picking a person to research coming up soon. So you can, as you read about different people in that were involved in the war in some way, think if any of them grab your attention and seem interesting to research and write a little bit about. Okay, just something to keep in mind. Good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.